Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is pumping exactly as I've been predicting for the last few days. Big congratulations to all of you. Solana is pumping as well. I've just bought around 20,000. I'm going to buy maybe $40,000 of Solana. I'm going to go on a buying spree. I already had a lot of Bitcoin, but unfortunately I only bought like 7 or still made a lot. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's jump straight into the charts. Now, going in and look at on my Binance account. On my Bybit account now, I'm up $230,000. So huge pumps right now. I've got Bitcoin 3.6 USDT, 79,000 Solana. I just bought 24,000. I'm gonna buy another $24,000 worth of Solana because I think it can pump a lot more. So I've got now $50,000 of Solana at the current price. My Bitcoin trade is up 119%, $7,152. Look at that. I used $5,900 of margin, which was with 9x leverage, was a $53,000 Bitcoin trade, now up $7,200. And I exactly predicted it in the last video, and Bitcoin is exploding out of my target. Let's look at it. Bitcoin is just exploding right now. BTC 22,200, it's up 7% today. And look at this movement. The bottom, in my opinion, is now in. RSI is heading up on the weekly. If you followed my last few weeks of videos, I've been buying a lot of Bitcoin and pumping it and believing that it's going to be big movements, and we just broke out massive. Look at that, from 20,700 to 22,000. Huge movement. Now, why this is very good is we've got a lot of buying volume coming in, and we need to break through 22,800. If we can break above retest, head up, then the bottom is guaranteed in, everyone. And this bear flag, this bigger time bear flag, doesn't play out. So we really needed to break above 22,800 and head up. Target will be 27,000. That will be the next big resistance on this big downtrend. So we actually need to break out of this big downtrend by breaking through 27,000. But a lot of volume has been coming in lately, and the volume comes on the pumps. Look at that Bitcoin trade go. If you followed my last video, look at that. You already the trade already hit the profits from the video, which I posted a few hours ago. Big congratulations anyone that went long, and people in Telegram went long like crazy. Check this out. This is inside the Telegram group. These are some of the gains from today. This is just from today. This is just from today. So you can see some of our students. This student up 484%. 484%. This student 62% on a Bitcoin long. They must be massive in the profits now. This student 720% on Ethereum long, 100x leverage with Bybit. This student 1,502% in the profits. This student now, wow, he had 3.5 Bitcoin trade open. He's now in $5,500 in the profits. This student $212,000 in the profits. This was from just the last few hours. So big congratulations to all of you. Bitcoin is good to go. The target will be 22,000. Big congratulations anyone that took that trade the last video, and this is very good. Huge buying volume. Target 22,000. If we can break above 22,000 here and bounce, that's the time to go mega long on Bitcoin for targeting the next big resistance, which would be up here at 20,000. That big resistance here, 30,900. And if it can break, so it's got 2 points to break through right now. It needs to break through 22,800, bounce, head up, and then if it gets there, if it can head up, $30,000 will be the target. And if it breaks above that, my God, we're good to go. So big congratulations. My Bitcoin long up $7,120. 119% in the profits. This account went from 160,000 to now 230,000 in the last few days, which was beautiful. This is what I'm talking about, everyone, about compounding your gains, not just holding on the drops and just sitting on the side. In here as well, in my Binance account, up massive. Check this out. In Binance account, up $10,259 today, almost $199,000 in this account. I've got Bitcoin, 7 Bitcoin, which is the majority of the profits. I just bought around $38,000 of Solana. So I just bought $38,000 worth of Solana, and I've got Bitcoin 158,000. So in this account, $10,259 in the profits on Bybit, on Binance. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do and join my other students, look at the gains from some of my students. 297% on Ethereum. I've been telling everyone that I'm going very bullish. Bitcoin 443% on BNB, 816% on Ethereum. It's everyone just making massive gains from me, which is beautiful. 92%, and I'm giving all of this for free, everyone, in the Telegram group. I'm doing all of this for free. Look at their gains. Congratulations, all of you. I love you all. My goal is abundance for all. Congratulations to Kenneth winning the 200 USD, and my team will be announcing the winner of the the PlayStation today in the Telegram group, so make sure you join that Telegram group. Also, if you want to trade Bybit, you can use that link down below. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus US dollars when you deposit Bitcoin and start trading. You can buy Bitcoin, altcoin, Solana, etc. on Bybit. Make sure if you have another Bybit account, if you didn't sign up using my link, open a new account using this link in the description of this video, sign up to Bybit and move your funds over to this account and start trading with my trading group. And also join us in the James New Telegram live alerts group. There's now in there, we have how many members now? We have in here, wow, look, everyone just making gains. I want to do a big congratulations. We have in here 2,973 members, and let's all celebrate because we just made huge gains. Congratulations all of you. And yeah, Bitcoin pumping. So Binance up 10,259. I just bought around $30,000 worth of Solana, 38,000, because Solana's got a long way to move. I'm going to show you this. So Bitcoin, those are the targets. That's what I think is going to happen. Now, this is why I'm buying a lot of Solana, because Solana, it's a very useful cryptocurrency that a lot of projects are using. And look at this. It's on a massive point here, on a big resistance line. It's a huge W formation. If it can break through here, this big resistance, which I think it's going to do because there's so much volume, we're going to have a massive movement on Solana. The movement will take Solana this distance here, which will be to, let's do an info line so you can clearly see it, which will be a movement of around 27% unleveraged. With 10x leverage, it will be 270%. And look at the volume. You can see this when Solana came down here at this low prices, it's actually been having the all-time high worth of volume. Hold on, let me show you. Its volume has been all-time high while we've come to these low prices. You can see here that this is the volume, how much buying and selling has been happening on Solana. You can see this big movement. Look, Solana at the peak, everyone, was $250. Then it came all the way down to $24. It's already done 100% pump since the bottom, and look at that volume, all-time high volume. So I think Solana is going to make a massive movement, and if it goes back to its all-time high, which Solana is a very useful project, a lot of the big projects are using Solana's chain, it will have a 515% pump, 515% unleveraged. So that's why I'm buying Solana. So I'm going to add, I bought here in this group, in this Bybit account now, I've got $48,000 worth of Solana. I've got 55,000 USDT, got 81,000 Bitcoin dollars worth of Bitcoin, and in here I bought $38,000 worth of Solana. I also like the tokens to buy right now that can do massive gains. Solana I really like, CRV I really like, MCRT, everyone, the project Magic Craft. This is the project that I'm the founder of, and during this whole crash we came down to, we're less than 1 cent. So we've had this big movement down over the last few months. And MCRT, it's the game that we're going to be releasing, and I can't wait to show you this game, everyone. It's amazing. It's already got the PC version ready, beta version, Android version, iOS version, and we're going to release it soon, very soon. I can't wait to show you. The gameplay is epic, and it's integrated MCRT inside the game. So the characters are using NFTs, they're using MCRT, the token. There'll be matches where you use MCRT. It's going to be epic. I'm wearing the hat right now, so pay attention to MCRT, everyone. From where we are right now to the peak price that it had was almost it's almost a 20x. 10x would be 1.5 cents. It's 100x from where we are now to the top. So that's a lot of percent. So pay attention to MCRT, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. You can buy MCRT. The link is down below. It's available on Bitmart Exchange, MEXC Exchange, Pancake Swap. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again. Big congratulations to all of you. Love you all, and this is what I'm talking about. You got to remember that when you're watching Bitcoin move, everyone's like, oh, but James, sometimes you're wrong on trade, sometimes you're right. You got to remember, we're actively trading. So why that's amazing is when we come close to the top on Bitcoin at 69K, we started selling. We started making trades and selling and buying and selling, but mainly exiting at 69K, and then we're trading as we're coming down. And then on the bottom, we started trading, making longs and shorts, right? But we were starting to get back into that market at that $17,000 to $20,000 range. Now, why you got to understand that is we're trading towards the top, selling and exiting, and then we're buying towards the bottom, buying and compounding. And over time, what you're doing is you're massively compounding your portfolios as Bitcoin eventually, on the long run, is doing this massive climb up. So just learn from me over the next whoever's been watching from 2.5 years. I'm so glad that I've made you wealthy, and I hope you enjoy life as much as possible, and give back. If you're making massive gains from me, 10% of your gains per day. So if you make $100, whether it's a job, from trading, give $10 to someone random on the street. If you make $1 million today, and a lot of you did, give $100,000 to someone. Do charity on a big scale. All of you, I want to give 10% of your gains per day to charity. Whether you made $1 million today, you're giving $100,000. If you made $10,000 today, you give $1,000, 10%. And what you will start to see is massive gains will come back to you exponentially when you start to give. Give to charities, give to people on the street that you see that need help, give to old ladies, give to families, give to single moms that you see that have kids. Have an amazing day. Love you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.